sunrise this morning. That's a good sign. We're gonna find some good knives.
Sun's just peeking as they hit the road, hunting for the steel that's waiting to be honed. Roaming from the city to the countryside, looking for the blades that others left behind. His hands are ready, his vision sharp and clear. For the knife doctor, every find is dear. In a dusty stall, he spots the blade, yeah. Rusting stories, edges frayed, yeah. In his hands, the steel's reborn. On the road at the crack of dawn, he's the knife doctor with an edge so true, saving lives with them old knives, making them just like new. Drive through towns, the whispers start, hey. Flea markets calling a treasure hunt today, hey, hey. With Antique Queen by his side, they search, they barter, take the ride. He's the knife doctor on a steel crusade, trucking with his lady in the deals they jade. Down the lane where rust meets fate, he sees a spark in the forgotten, ain't too late. A diamond in the rough, they say, till the knife doctor puffs the years away. Through the aisles and past the stands, his keen eye sweeps over the merchant's lands. Picks up a blade, its story untold. Edges dull, but the handle's gold. He squints his eyes, sees past the grime. Each knife he saves like stopping time. In every town, a tale of Jim. The hunt is on, no need to pretend.
Y'all got any knives or anything? Some pocket knives?